Hi guys, and welcome to this educational video for the day. In this video, I'll be talking about the intraday trade what I did today, and also I'll be showing you the quick market analysis in this video. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So today I have traded on Infi, that is Infosys stock. Okay, so I'll be telling you where I took the entry, exit, and everything, and also we'll be seeing about how the market has been performed today. So I'll be telling you all these things now. And before that, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, these are with no indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable and a good trader. Okay. And also once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. And the course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me about how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade what I did on Infi. So firstly, I short sold Infi today in the morning around 9:55 to 10 a.m. around 1438 or 1439 levels. I just took a short sell entry somewhere over here. Okay, so somewhere over this range I took a short sell entry in the morning, and after that you can see here the stock started to come down for the whole day. Okay, I just kept my target of 5 points and I took my exit of 10,000 quantity, 5 points target. Okay, so here you can see once I short sold, the stock was trying to go up. You can see one 15 minutes candle which was actually trying to go up, but it couldn't sustain. Yes, as the stock price is above 1000 rupees, we can expect some of an volatility to happen. Okay, so the stock was trying to go up, but again I was still holding it because I knew that it was a red candle, and also this is just a spike. And after some time the stock gradually started coming down, and later again around this level it was trying to take a support around a 1436 level, and again it tried to go up from there, and again it couldn't sustain, and finally at the end of the day the stock has come down. And for this to come down, even the Nifty 50 has also was in a full of a bearish side as of today. Okay, so you can see here this is the Nifty 50 chart for the day, and the market has came down a lot. Okay, so it has closed at minus 0.67% down today. But if you see the pre-open market opening, it was in a upper section of 0.22% up today. The pre-open market opened in an upper section, but the market couldn't sustain and the market has come down here. So this is where the little bit of a gap down we can see for the day. So this was the opening price, and then again the market couldn't sustain the opening of a gap up, and the market has come down a lot. Okay, so it has come down like 150 points down today. And in fee I was planning that if it goes above 1445, I could have taken as a buy entry, but it didn't go above 1445. I couldn't see any big green strong candle above this level in the morning itself, so that's why I decided to go short selling. So I plan my trade according to how the stock will go and how it performs. By chance, if it has gone above these levels in the morning about 1445 with a big green candle with a good volume, then I could have gone for a buying side. But in the morning I couldn't see any big green candle with a good volume, and that was indicating me that this stock was having a less buyers for the day, and also even the market was coming down, and that supported the stock to come down, and that's the reason why I held the stock for my target of 5 points. Okay, and also let's see how the indices has been performed at the end of the day today. So yes, some sectors have gone up and some sectors have come down. So that's what I can see here. You can see Nifty Bank has come down minus 0.61% down. Nifty Auto has come down minus 0.28% down. Nifty Financial Services also come down minus 0.89% down. And Financial Services again 25/50, even that has come down minus 0.75. If you see FMGC 0.02% up, we can consider it as like no movement at all. So Nifty IT just gone up by 0.33% up, and you can see Nifty Media is up by 1.18% up today. Even though the market has come down more than half a percent down, the Nifty Media has gone up today. Nifty Metal is down by minus 0.21% down, and Nifty Pharma is also up by half a percent, like more than half a percent, 0.62% up today. And Nifty PSU Bank is also down today, minus 0.31% down. Nifty Private Bank is also down by minus 0.45%. And you can see Nifty Reality is also up by 0.59% up. And healthcare indices, consumer durables, you can see they are like 1.72% up. So this 4-5 indices have been in the upper side today. Even the oil and gas has gone up, and Nifty mid small healthcare has also gone up today. So these are the indices which majority of the indices I can say they have ended in a green side. Okay, but few indices have ended up in a red side, but not much of a bearish I can tell here. But yes, this is a retracement or a correction. What the Nifty has shown today is what I can tell. And today we were able to trade on Infi, and this is how I traded today, and this was how the market has been performed today. Okay, so this is how it was today, guys. So this is about today's market analysis video. I hope you guys like this video. So do give a like for this video, and also do subscribe to my channel for a lot of educational videos and daily market analysis videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.